Hey. I can't hear you.
Hey.
Hey.
Hear me?
Yeah, you're good now.
Okay,
I
hold
can
on.
hear you.
The headphones again though. Can you hear me now? Yeah? Okay, awesome. Cool. Did you all hear from Nancy today?
No.
I got her email, but
Okay. She texted me earlier. She said that like her dad's in the hospital and she's got a whole bunch of other stuff, so she's gonna drop the class this semester.
Okay.
So looks like it's just us and maybe Shayna. I don't know. I keep inviting her to these things, but she hasn't joined in yet, so
okay.
Okay.
not sure what to do about that. So yeah.
Were you at
That's where
FHE
we're at.
tonight?
What was that?
Were you at FHE tonight?
No, I was driving back from Utah.
Oh, fun. Yeah,
Oh.
I looked for you. I was like, oh, I didn't see him.
Was it fun?
It was fun.
Cool.
Golden ate pizza.
Oh, that does sound nice.
Yeah, free food. It was great.
Yeah, it's the best. Except I'm doing this terrible thing where I'm not eating pizza for 3 months.
Oh, yeah, maybe it's better you didn't go because it's just pizza and soda.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, I was driving and I was thinking that like if I was there, it would be very, very challenging.
Mm-hmm.
So it's probably for the best.
Yeah.
How was you guys' weekend?
It's good.
Pretty uneventful.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nice
nice.
and relaxing.
Yep. Caught up on homework.
Yeah, seriously.
I did none of those things.
What did you go to Utah for?
My sister is getting married. She had her bridal shower there for
Okay,
some
fun.
reason. We live in California, but she decided to do a thing there, so went down for that. It was fun.
Fun.
And then we hung out the rest of the weekend.
Cool.
Went to the Provo Temple open house thing this morning. That was pretty cool.
Oh
Was
wow.
that cool?
Yeah, it was really nice. It was small, but it was really nice.
Yeah, me and my roommate are gonna go to Utah in a couple weekends, and we want to go to that.
Sweet. I recommend it. And if you go, try and get there like earlier in the day before the line gets super long, unless you have tickets, in which case.
Yeah, you didn't have tickets though?
No. But we got
Okay,
in within like 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I looked, and there weren't any tickets for the weekend
Yeah.
so good to know that you can get in still.
Yeah, no, it was pretty simple. Like the standby line, it wasn't too long for us. I'm not sure if that's just because it's Monday and it just started or what, but it was pretty quick. So should we get started?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Sweet. Is it just weird? Does it feel weird? Like this is our class time or something? Like we don't even start with prayer. It's just odd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What are we going through first?
Should we go through part 2?
Yeah.
There's only
Sounds
2 questions
good.
this time, so.
Yeah.
Also, I looked and checked my answers with the answer key, and there
And it
were
was
different
weird.
questions.
Yeah.
It was a
So I just
different
did
answer
them,
key,
and hopefully
right?
they're right, but yeah.
Okay, so what'd you get for, like, they were different questions too.
Yeah,
right?
they were different questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, the answer key was like an 8-sided dice, and this one was a 4-sided dice. Like, this one would be easier, but
Oh, yeah. Well, like,
It's
it
also
was,
asking for different things too.
yeah, it was like, what's the
Yeah, I was asking
probability
for
it'll be
different
over
things, too.
5? And
Mhm.
so, what'd you guys get for this one, though? Did you do the math on it?
Yeah. Number 5, I got 2.5 for the
2.5.
discrete random variable.
Okay. What'd you
What did
get?
you guys get?
Is it, I'm still confused. Is it Ariane or Ariane?
You said it right the first time. Ariane.
Ariane. Okay, perfect.
Okay, so I got 0.25, so I don't know if I did it wrong.
Okay,
So,
what steps were you taking?
How I did it at least was the first one was like the number on the die, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there was a 1 in 4 or 2 or 0.25 chance that you'd roll that number,
Mhm.
and that was the second column. And then the third column was like 1 times 0.25 and then 2 times 0.25 and down to 4. And then
Okay.
you multiply those out and add them all together, and I got 2.5.
Yeah, my equation kind of looks like this.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
how
know
mine
if you
looks
can.
too. Yeah,
Okay.
that's how mine looks too.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
And
And I got
let's
2.5.
just work that. Is that the right way to start?
I think so. I did what it did with the 6-sided dice in the notes.
How'd you start, Ariane?
Okay, hold on. Okay, sorry, what was that?
How'd you start your thing?
For the
For number 5.
question? Yeah, for number 5.
number
So
5. Okay, let me see. So, let me get the right paper. I'm not really sure like what I was doing.
okay.
So, yeah,
All right.
I haven't really looked at it too much. Let's see.
Okay. Took you a
Let's
nice
see.
weekend.
Yeah, I was working
All
on
right.
physics all day.
Cool.
Physics fun.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and multiply this all out real
Okay.
quick. Yeah, I got 2.5 again.
Okay.
That's what I just did it and I got that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So 2.5 for that one. And then question 6 was calculate the standard deviation of this discrete random variable.
Okay.
So
That
the
one
equation for that
I have
was x minus that u thing squared times px. Right?
the px.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like p with x and then p is the probability.
So px would have been 1 divided by 4, right?
Yeah, 0.25.
Yeah.
And then like the u thing was 2.5 times 4.
Squared. So it's going to be 2.5 squared times 0.25 gives us the answer?
No, it's
Oh, wait.
so you do x, which is the value, so 1, 2, 3, or 4. So this is for like the fourth column.
Oh, so we fill them all out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, that's not right. Okay.
And then the
2.5 squared equals that times 0.25.
so the 1 minus 0.25 is all squared.
I am getting a negative number. Is that what you guys got for that first one?
Well, because you do 1 minus 0.25 and then you square it, so it shouldn't be negative. Because a negative number squared is
Oh, okay,
positive.
all right. I thought it was 0.2. Wait.
So like the first column would
Was
be
0.25 or
1
1
minus 0.25, 1 minus 2.5.
2.5, okay. And then
And then
all
you
that
square the whole
squared. So
thing.
1
Yeah.
minus 2.5 squared. So
And then you multiply it
2.25
by
times
probability.
0.25. So 0.5625?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then you do that for all the numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if I can get that.
Call. Morning, gentlemen. Put on, please. 2 pair. Aces and sevens. Queen placed. Wins.
I'm sorry. That left hand. You too.
Gentlemen, with this check exchange, we enter the final phase, which means no more button.
Okay.
The big blind is now 1 unit left.
What'd you guys get?
I got 0.5625 for the first one, and then
Okay.
0.0625 for the next two, and then 0.5625 for the last one.
Wait, for the next two?
Yeah.
That's not what I got for number 3.
What'd you get for number 3?
I got 0.140625. I probably did something wrong though. So it's 3 minus 2.25 squared.
Well, because when you do 2
0.25.
minus 2.5, you get 0.5. And then when you do 3 minus 2.5, you get 0.5. And then you square both of them.
Wait, how would that doesn't make no sense.
So 2 minus 2.5 is
0.5.
0.5. Then you square that.
Oh.
And then 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5, and then you square it. So negative 0.5 and
3 minus
0.5 are the same thing when you square them.
Huh, you're right.
Right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out what I did wrong then.
Right.
Did you get that same thing for the last one, though?
Echo.
0.7656.
I got 0.5625.
I think I know what I did. I think I did 2 minus 2.25 instead of just 2.5.
Okay. What did you get, Ariane? Is that how you say it?
Ariane.
Yeah.
Ariane?
Sorry.
Hello?
40,500,000.
Is she there?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hey, okay.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I can hear you, and then it like goes out, and then I can hear you again.
Oh,
Oh,
weird.
what did you get when you did that
Okay.
equation?
Hold on, I'm working on it.
Okay.
Sorry.
So basically 1 and 4 were the same and 2 and 3 were the same? Is that what you got, Morgan?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 and 4, and then 2 and 3. Yeah.
Sweet. And then to get standard deviation, we add all those up and divide by 3, and then square root of that, or square that.
I think, yeah, you do the square root. You divide it by 3, right?
Yeah, so
So adding them all up.
Gentlemen, put on, please. Flush. Ace, king, queen.
And then is it squared or square root?
Square root, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a square root.
Full house. Ace full of ace.
So I got 0.64549.
I'm
that
almost
one?
there.
Okay. Let me know when you get there.
Full house. Ace is full of sixes. Monsieur Bon.
Yep.
I got 0.65.
Yep. Sweet.
Okay.
Have you guys done the like the homework assignment yet? The quiz one?
The quiz we're supposed to do now or the homework?
The homework.
No.
Okay.
I
That
haven't
one
done
was
the
pretty
homework yet.
simple.
I looked at the quiz. It doesn't seem too hard, but
Oh, the group one?
yeah.
Yeah.
I looked
Okay.
at the first like 10 problems. I haven't looked at the end, but it doesn't
Oh,
seem
cool.
like it's too hard. So I'll do that now.
Sweet.
Okay.
You know, it's a celebration thing. Come on.
Only 13 questions this time?
Yeah, just gotta pull it up.
It doesn't look too bad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. True. I feel like question 2 shouldn't be I actively, it should be like my group mates actively participated.
I know, right?
Keep everyone accountable, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so question 3.
Yeah.
Alright, note, give all your probability answers as decimals. For example, 0.1234. Do not give probability answers as percents. Human blood can be classified into one of 4 basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Oh, that's cool. Use this data to answer the following questions. The blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. Yes?
I think it would be true because it follows all the probability rules. When you add it up, it equals 1. They're all less than 1, greater than 0, not negative.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So true.
Yep. I think that's true.
Yeah, me too.
Awesome.
Okay.
What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O decimal place? Just 0.45, right?
I think so. That question
Yeah.
seemed too easy for me. I was like,
Yeah, I know.
this is like, I can read a chart.
That's the only thing I can think of. Like,
Yeah.
Because it's already like in the.
It almost seems too simple though. I'm like, is it supposed to be harder than this?
hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully not.
Okay, then what is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood?
There's just 1 minus 0.45,
Yeah.
0.55.
Yeah. 0.55.
Okay. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. That's cool. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowels containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Answer the following questions. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Round the answer to 3 decimal places.
So
there's 7 bowls.
There's 7 of them total, and 1 of them has bladder cancer, right?
Yeah, so 1 divided by 7?
Yeah, 1 divided by 7, which is
0.143?
4.
It says
Yeah.
3 decimal
143.
places.
Yeah.
0.143. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. In a combined total of... Wait, are we ready to move on?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Well, if you figure it out, it's only like 41% or something like that. But
Yeah.
that's a pretty good chance out
But
of all the
when-
trials.
When random probability would say that it's 14% chance, 44 is quite
That's very
Quite a
high.
bit more.
Yeah.
So you think strong evidence that the dogs can detect bladder cancer?
Yeah. Does anyone have any
Yeah, I
arguments
think,
against
I
it?
think it's.
I feel like that's high enough that
It would be strong.
Okay. Cool.
All
Anyone
right.
want to take the next ones?
I can.
Cool.
All right. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms
Really?
website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? 3.
Where's my water?
0.16.
Oh, red?
I didn't hear what any of you guys just said.
Oh. What is the
Sorry.
probability of drawing a red colored candy?
Okay.
Would it be 0.13?
I put 0.16 is what I got.
Are you just looking at the table?
Yeah.
Under red it says 0.16 on yours?
Red. No. Sorry, I was figuring out green.
Oh,
Oh.
That sounds too easy.
I know, right?
0.13. Okay.
And what is the
then-
probability of that a randomly selected candy is green? So then
That's
that would
the
be
0.16.
yeah. And then, are we good to move on?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? So that would just be 1 minus
0.84.
6, right? 0.84.
Yep.
Okay. Yep, that's what I got.
You guys want me to keep going, or?
Sure.
Sure.
The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Use the information from the public university to answer the following question. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? I haven't done this one yet. I don't know yet.
Half the observations are less than or equal to what number? So how many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
So what's half of 9? 4.5.
4.5.
So we got 4.3 is the lowest.
And
5
then
is
5.
the next one.
And 14.
14.
And then 22.
22.
And then 20.
24.
Oh, just kidding. We missed 18.6. 18.
Oh, yeah.
So 22.
Would it be 22?
I think so.
I think so. Let me look.
It tells us that's
3,
Q1.
Yeah, I think it's 22.
Wait, it's giving us the mean and the standard deviation and the variance and the minimum. So would it be 24, the median?
Wait.
Look at the left column, what it's telling us what the numbers are.
Oh.
What's the question asking?
Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? So would that be the median? You would want the 50th percentile, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So would that be
I'm just
the
confused.
median?
Like,
Which is 24.
Is observations referring to the table, or is it the studies?
So, like, the overall study is the observation.
Okay. All right. So then, yeah, that would be the median, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I think
This
so,
is
yeah.
just like
All
the
right,
statistics
cool.
of it.
Okay. Then based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? So that would be the 75th percentile,
27?
right?
Yeah, so
27?
Q3, 27.
Q3. Yeah, 27. Is that what you guys all said?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the last one. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability is a number between 0 and 1. True. The sum of the possibilities in any possibility is 1. That's true. If the possibility is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative.
That's
Well, that's
not
false.
true.
One, the probability that an outcome will occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur.
Yep. Sounds good to me.
High, then the probability is positive. It's low, then it's negative. That's the
Yeah,
one.
you can't have them. Negative.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that was short.
That was short.
Cool.
It's been that hard this week to me. Alright, submit.
Yep.
Children, are good. Money is this factor for organizations and
Awesome.
Whew. I like that score.
Me too.
Yeah.
Thanks for pointing that out on number 11. All right, sweet. Well,
Awesome.
Good job,
Anything
guys.
else?
I think we're good.
I think
sweet.
we're good.
Well, same time on Thursday?
Yep.
Yeah, sounds
Cool.
good.
Alright.
Awesome.
Bye,
Talk to you later.
guys.
See you guys then.
All right.